The jet lag is real. We woke up at 1 p.m. Oh, 12:58.
So it was so funny when I went to get the pizzas and bring them back. When I was coming back to our gate and bring them back inside, there was a couple of young people hanging out, and one of them saw me and he says, "Jamanji," which means you're already eating, because it was like 6 p.m. here. And I said, "Yeah, we had a long day, I haven't eaten." And so yeah, I think they're a little religious about the time of day they eat, which is around 8 p.m. It seems to be a thing, you know, because in the States I feel like everyone eats whenever they want, but here it's kind of like, it's a little weird if you don't eat at around 8 or later or something like that. Yeah, unless you're a tourist, which there's plenty of. You could practically, if you wanted to strike up a good conversation, you could probably look over for a minute and find someone and say, "Hey, how do you guys like it in Naples?" "Oh, great. Where are you from?" "Oh, Wisconsin." Because there's so many tourists here, which makes me feel lame, because I feel like people can tell when we have our big bags. But when I went to the pizza place, somebody thought I was from Spain. The guy asked me why I'm eating now, which is cool. I guess without the luggage you look a little more blended in, but that was pretty funny. So this B&B is very small but very nice. We can't really complain. I got a small shower. They got a funny urinal looking thing. Like, that's how you flush. And the shower's kind of small, but it's awesome. And then you can open this thing and hear everybody outside. But they got quiet now, so you can't hear them. Because they're eating. And yeah, it's dinner time. We're about to go out and check out the block. And it's gonna be a good time. Yeah, so we can maybe figure out what we want to do tomorrow.
So this is where we're staying. Abby is right there trying to figure out our directions that I already figured out. That's the room we're staying in right there. It's really cool. The inside looks a lot prettier than the outside, but I still like the outside. Right here we have a crazy ancient artifact. They have it protected so that nobody steals it. I'm pretty sure they're doing a great job. And this is the street. So nice here. We like going this way. Oh, right there is a pizza shop we always go to. Okay, so we're walking to the Centrale. We're gonna take the train to the ruins of Pompeii. You excited?
I'll be more excited.
Me too. We're somewhat lost. We just need to find a road sign. Once we find the name of the street we're on, we'll be okay. So apparently it's Abby's first time on a train, and it's my. I've been a couple times. I went to Luxembourg once. The sign outside says Salerno, and we asked like 3 people, and they all said it's here, so we're bound to be right. And there's more people in there. It's a really long train, obviously. But if we're wrong, and if we're wrong, it's gonna be a good story, and you're about to watch it.